Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 DUCATI MTS1200S Touring. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 DUCATI MTS1200S Touring with 23,312 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with an MRA windshield. Powered by an 1198cc L-twin engine, the MTS1200 puts 150 horsepower and 91 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.3-gallon fuel tank, it has a 150 to 180-mile fuel range. It has a 33.5-inch seat height and a 454-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts. The front tire at 530 seconds and the rear is also at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the fuel gauge is inoperable. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the handguard and paint chips on the saddlebag. This bike has a toolkit, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.